How you going? Welcome to the Hrvati Zajedno pre-show. As you can see, it's only me and Andrew here at the moment, and Andrew's doing some lovely research. I'm not going to show you the research. It's going to be a bit more hidden until the actual event. But this is just a bit of a warm-up. So make sure you tune into us, guys, in, 49 minutes on alive905.com.au or 90.5 FM on a normal dial-up. iHeart, jump onto Linktree to see any of our socials and go from there. So this is the warm-up. When the rest of the crew does come in, I'll make sure I get them on a live as well. It's a bit of fun. Stipper, how you going, buddy? Bit of a warm-up to the actual show, so stay tuned, stay live, and enjoy it. Have fun, but at the same time, be here at 6 o'clock. We'll jump online and have some fun. And I'm not going to explain the topic for tonight's show, but it does tie into a bit of Australia Day. So have fun, guys. Enjoy. See you guys shortly and talk soon. Later.